Hey, so we'll have another look at some my buddy's truck collection pictures that he's gotten from every place you can imagine, including his own camera. This one is Volvo, and then at the end it's got some heavy haul. It's kind of Pete and repeat there. It's the same one. He's had 15 of these. I saw the lineup once somewhere deep on my YouTube channel. And they had an old, I think 1938 restored one. I've got that on there too. It was sitting on a little low boy trailer. Arrow heavy haul. They haul mine concentrates with those belly dumps. And wood chips. An auto car. I think that's a paving company from Vancouver Island's logo. I can't quite tell. That trailer was called a Diaco. D-E and dash I-A-C-O. Allowed you to haul another 12,000 pounds. It was a big deal. I think that was late 80s, early 90s. It was just before the Tridem trailers come in big time. YRB, I think that stands for Yellowhead Road and Bridge, one of the highways contractors here in BC, up north further. All the things you can haul with a truck. Gravel, liquid gravel, logs, lumber, sewage, everything. If it's been produced or turned to waste, a truck will move it. If it's needed in a hurry, a truck will bring it. If it's late, a truck is at fault. And Cask Brothers, I've said 100 times, we had one of their old trucks, like 72 Mac. We can never see an auto car on the road anymore. forever. I knew one guy, Dave, that had one, a dump truck. But that's cool. That's BC. Langfab is from the lower mainland here. That's a white cab. Not as in color. But that's Surrey Ritchie Brothers under the Patello Bridge. The bridge is like 80 some years old. It's been talk for years of replacing it. It still stands. I think that's for rail car unloading. I've heard of those. There's some at Vancouver in one of the ports or North Shore or somewhere. It was, met a guy once that ran it or owned it 30 years ago. I think it was a Komatsu. And he got a good rate. It was easy work. Just scooped in, unloaded ore type cars with whatever was in them. That's not a Mack F. No, what is that? Man, that looks a little bit like a Haymack. Now I'm wondering. Anyways, squirrel. I'm distracted. A lot of Volvo trucks, and there is albums and albums and albums full of all this stuff. But now we get into the heavy haul. My goodness, that's heavy and doesn't look like it should be hauled. Wow. And Oshkosh. Big trucks and little kid coveralls. That's a Kenworth. PCL Construction, one of the biggest in all of Canada. Big O&K. Orenstein and Koppel. Terex bought them out, or rebranded them, I believe. They made the RH series, like the famous RH 120, little RH 75. Truck hauling a truck. I think the big truck should haul the little truck. Be more efficient. Komatsu of that size. Probably like Rick Ness's Gold Rush machine. It's probably a 475. Komatsu 1600. Macatak. I'd like to see the army tank that carries that thing. Bazillion millimeter cannon. Man, that's a lot of wheels. Imagine doing your pre-trip in the morning with the hammer, go hit every tire. That looks like a ball mill for crushing ore. But it could be a nuclear reactor. Do not know. That's a Southwest Contracting truck. They're still around. They've been around a long time. It's their machine too. Used to run all Caterpillar. That's a Lens lift truck dash Ranger transport. LX series link belt. 700, 800. North side transport truck. And last page. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that. No one else has probably ever seen these since they've been put together by my buddy.